Imagine buying your first house. Everything feels perfect. Then, few weeks later, you discover the roof needs replacement. The HOA is demanding thousands of dollars, and even your contract legally prevents you from backing out. That happens to first-time buyers all the time, not because they are careless, but because they did not understand what they were signing. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the biggest red flag hidden inside home contracts in America and how smart buyers protect themselves before it's too late. And trust me, one small mistake in this document can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. So stay and watch till the end to know about the red flags. You see, one of the biggest red flag you can see in a contract is the phrase property sold as or is. Now, this scares a lot of buyers because they think it means if I buy this house, I'm stuck in every problem. That's not exactly true. What as or is really means is the seller does not want to pay for repairs. So, if the inspection finds problem later, the seller may refuse to fix anything. But here is what many buyers don't realize. You still have the right to inspect the home, and you should never skip that. You should never skip inspection, because inspection can reveal roof damage, plumbing issue, mold, electrical problems, foundation cracks, and repair that could cost thousands. Now, here's the dangerous part. If your contract does not include an inspection contingency, you may not be able to back out safely after finding those problems. That means you either continue buying the house, either continue paying for it, or you lose your deposit money. Now, that's why inspection contingencies matters so much. You see, they protect you. So, you need to look out for this in your contract before signing them. Does your contract have inspection contingency? Now, let's talk about the HOAs. The HOA stands for Homeowners Association, and a lot of neighborhoods and condos in America have them. And before buying, the HOA gives buyers documents explaining their rules and finances. Most first buyers never read them, and that's dangerous. That's a huge mistake because some HOAs have strict rules about renting the properties, parking, pets, renovations, even the color you paint your house when the HOAs does not have enough money saved for major repairs. So they send homeowners a bill, and sometimes that bill is about $5,000 to $10,000 or even more sometimes. You see, that's why smart buyers check the HOA reserve fund, meeting notes, and financial statements. If the HOA looks financially unstable, that's a serious red flag and you should run. You see, in alt housing markets, some buyers remove inspection protection to make their offers look stronger. Sounds smart, right? The problem appears later because without an inspection contingency, discovering major damages after signing can become the problem. And we are not talking about small repairs. We are talking about bad foundations, mold inside the walls, old electrical system, leaking roofs. Repairs like this can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Now, some sellers prefer offers without contingencies because it makes the deal easier for them. But easier for the seller does not always mean safer for you. A safer option is shortening the inspection period instead of removing it completely, because that way you still protect yourself while showing the seller you are serious. Now, let's talk about the hidden financial trap inside contracts. You see, most buyers focus only on the home price, but contracts also include closing costs, taxes, lender's fee, HOA fees, insurance costs, and important deadlines. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is missing contingencies deadline. For example, if your inspection period ends on a certain date and you miss it, you may lose your rights to back out safely. That could cost you your earnest money deposits, and deposits are often tens of thousands of dollars. Also, compare your loan estimates with your final closing disclosure carefully, because sometimes all these lenders can add unexpected fees around the closing cost. So you need to check for this carefully before signing. So if you see changes you don't understand, you need to ask questions before signing anything. So make sure you check for all these carefully, so you won't get yourself into a trap that it might be hard to get out of. Now, before signing a home contract, ask yourself, did I get a full inspection? Do I understand the HOA rules? Do I know my deadline? Did I review every fee carefully? Is every promise in written? You need to ask yourself this. And if the answer is no, you should slow down. Yeah, you should slow down before signing. Please make sure you check for all these before you sign that contract. If this video helped you to understand home contracts better, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps more first-time home buyers avoid expensive mistakes. And also, remember to comment house if you want more videos about real estate and contracts and more smart home buying tips like this. You see, in my next video, I'll be breaking down the biggest mortgage mistake first-time home buyers made. So, see you in the next video. Bye.